Good day, M6025. Please introduce yourself.
Good day, ma'am and sir. My name is Arlene Dalan, 29 years old. I'm single, I am Christian, and I graduated high school. I have two brothers and one sister, and I'm the youngest. I have working experience here in the Philippines for 4 years and 3 months. I serve 3 members of the family, 2 adults and 1 month old baby girl. I do the cooking, cleaning, washing, ironing, and marketing and taking care of the baby.
Okay. Since you have an experience taking care of a 1-month-old baby, so you know how to prepare a milk for a
Yes, sir.
newborn, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so it is okay to you to take care of a newborn.
Yes, sir.
Okay. If the baby is crying, what will you do?
I will check the temperature, sir, or she's hungry or diaper is wet.
Okay. And if the baby doesn't stop to cry after everything you did, what will you do?
I will call my employer, sir, immediately
Okay, and what will you tell to your employer?
that the baby is crying
Okay. Why do you want to work in Hong Kong?
because Hong Kong is nice people and have good governance, and Hong Kong is one of the safest countries, sir.
So you want to work in Hong Kong?
Yes, sir.
Because, right, it is right that Hong Kong is the safest country to work with also for the domestic helper.
Yes.
Okay, how long do you want to work in Hong Kong?
6 years or more, sir. But depends on my employers.
Okay, it depends on your employer. So it is okay to you to extend your contract, right? Okay, do you have any idea how to prepare Chinese food?
No, sir, but I'm eagerly to learn, and I watch YouTube or read the book, sir.
Okay, read some books like recipe books. Okay, and also if you got an employer in Hong Kong, you could ask them if they could teach you how to prepare, right? Okay. If your employer prepare foods that you are not familiar, it is okay to you to eat the food that they provide.
Yes, sir.
It is okay to you to cut your hair into short.
Yes, sir.
How about sharing jobs with a helper?
Yes, sir.
Sharing room with kids.
Yes, sir.
It is okay to you to take care of pets.
Yes, sir.
How about work on Sunday or in a holiday setup?
Yes, sir. It's okay.
How about taking care of elderly? Help them go to bed, to the bathroom.
Yes, sir.
Okay. If one of your employer's family don't know how to speak English, it is okay to you to learn Cantonese.
Yes, sir.
Okay. My last question is, what will be your message for your future employer?
To my future employers, I will assure you that you can trust me because I'm honest, reliable, hardworking, and dedicated to my work. And I promise to obey your rules and regulations to your house. And I am looking forward to be part of your family. And if I have a chance, I will do my job well to the best that I can.
Okay. Thank you very much, Miss Arlene. Thank you.